Instructor exercise 195 to 196. My brother and I are in joint stock banks in London. Full stop. He is in the foreign department and consequently he is specially acquainted with such expressions as arbitration of exchange, course of exchange, rate of exchange, long exchange, short exchange, cable remittance and telegraphic transfers, and a draft on demand. Full stop. The phraseology used in connection with bills is very interesting to him, and in dealing with a bill he has, of course, to note the date of the maturity of the bill, whether it is specially endorsed, or has a restrictive endorsement, or has on it the words without recourse, or in case of need. Full stop. Bills are sometimes accepted for the honor of any party thereon, or accepted payable in London, or they have a procuration acceptance. Full stop. A bank may receive orders to retire acceptance. Full stop. New para. I am specially concerned with checks which may be town checks, metropolitan checks, or country checks, paying in slips, various bank notes and circular notes. Full stop. Our bank occasionally consents to grant an advance against a life policy and accepts deeds accompanied by a memorandum of deposit. Full stop. I understand the significance of a nominal consideration, which is given for the purpose of avoiding paying ad valorem stamp duty, a deed of transfer, a negotiable instrument, and a negotiable security, among which last British government securities take a premier place. Full stop. A form of indemnity is used in connection with the loss of documents, and in other matters. Full stop. Sometimes I have to write on a check referred to drawer, and occasionally a check is not honored without the written authority of the drawer, or the advice to inverted comma start cancel the check, inverted comma close, is received. Full stop. New para. I have to pay particular attention to a inverted comma start not negotiable, inverted comma close check. Full stop. Without the clearing house, the London clearing bankers would be unable to cope with the huge number of checks which pass daily through their banks, the daily average being about 50 million pounds, full stop. The amount of labor, comma, both physical and mental, comma, represented by this vast sum, comma, is indeed wonderful, full stop. There are 4 clearings each day, colon, metropolitan, comma, town, bracket start, morning, bracket close, comma, country, comma, town, bracket start, afternoon, bracket close, comma, at each of which the respective checks are cleared, full stop. The busiest days are the 4th of the month, when so many bills are payable, and the stock exchange settlement days, full stop.